Hello, children. Let's start a new chapter of science that is changes around us. Already we discussed in written form. Now let's go with the video. Priya wants to write an article on colors. She started observing her mother while preparing tea. Suddenly, her brother Teja rushed into the kitchen shouting, "See, my white shirt is spoilt. It has color stains. Yesterday it was fine. Why has it become like this? Who spoiled my shirt?" he said. Mother saw the shirt and said that it might have got this red stain when it was soaked in soap water along with a new red shirt. I saw no children. Even in our houses, when we add all other color shirts with the white color or light color shirts, the light color shirts will be taking the color of the other dark colored shirts. When the dresses sometimes happen at home, when your mother washes the clothes. I saw no. Priya, who was listening to all this, began thinking about all the changes she had seen. She had noticed the change in the color of the tea after milk was added to it. You could see, children, milk color changes after adding on tea powder. Yes or no? There was a change in the color of the shirt. She started wondering. Why this happened, the color of change. Why does the color of the tea change? As we add the tea powder, the milk as it boils in that, with that, the tea will be taking the color of the tea powder. How did the red stain get on her brother's shirt? On soaking with the colored shirt, the color has come from that shirt too. This through water. How do colors change? For every change, there is a reason. Can you find answers to these questions? Discuss with your friends and think of the answers. Even after I said even, you discuss with your parents. Discuss and think, children. In our daily life, we notice many changes around us, isn't or not? These include the changes from time to time in the crops growing in the fields. So, no crops, as they grow growing on, they change. So, no leaves will size increases, the color changes, a fruit comes. So, no fall of leaves in the fields. The crops after growing fall of leaves after growth, everything its work completes. The leaves will fall off. The growth of fresh leaves on trees starts. Changes in the color of the sky. When it is sunny, the color change is different of sky. When it is a night, in the evening, color changes. In the early morning, color changes. The change in color of leaves of trees, green, yellow, red, yes, etc. Flowers bloom and then wither away. So no, flowers will be first blossoming, then after they dry up. Apart from this, we notice some changes in our body, like increase in length of nails and hair. We go on cutting nails and hairs, but they will be growing on. Increase or decrease in weight and increase in height, etc. Of all the changes we observe in our daily life, we are able to find out reasons for some of them. So no children, for all of them we can't say the reason. For other changes, we are not able to find reasons. To explain any change, we need to ask the following questions. Let's see what those questions are. What has changed actually? We have to see. How did we know that it has changed? That means we have to compare the previous and the present one. What are the possible reasons for that change? The changes what we could see, which are visioned, which are not visioned, might be also we have reasons. Which seems to be the most appropriate reason we have to choose, which gives the correct reason behind the change. How would we check if the reason is correct? Let us discuss certain changes in detail. First, let me discuss the changing of milk into curd. It's very familiar to us. Every parent will be preparing curd at home. We know that curd is prepared from milk, isn't it or not, children? Making curd is our common experience. Curd is prepared in almost every house. Do you know how milk can be converted into curd? Let's see. Generally, curd is prepared by adding a very small quantity of curd, a sample curd, to the bowl containing warm milk. Not hot, not cool, just warm milk we take. The milk is stirred well. Then the bowl containing milk with the sample curd is covered by a lid and kept still and undisturbed for a few hours to get curd, isn't or not? Then, after formation of curd, what changes do you see when milk is converted into curd? Milk was a liquid form, curd became a solid, isn't or not? How do you know that milk is changed into curd? The texture, we say, when the color also fades. Yes, when the taste. Is there any change in its state? Yes, liquid changes to solid. Is there any change in its volume? Yes, some increased with feels. Sometimes it looks like decreased, but the volume will be same. Is there any change in the weight? Weight increases most or most equal. This is about the discussion of today. From activity 1, let's we discuss tomorrow. Thank you.